And more news now from the United States. Shocking news rather. Xylazine, the zombie drug, is gradually spreading throughout the United States. A drug known as xylazine, also referred to as trank or trank dope, is causing immense concerns across the United States due to its presence in synthetic opioids like fentanyl, which is leading to severe skin deterioration in users. Here's the latest.
U.S. Senator Chuck Schumer has sounded alarm about a deadly skin-rotting zombie drug.
So first, we all know that the opioid epidemic is a scourge across the nation. And now we're seeing a new type of drug that's being mixed with fentanyl and other addictive services. And this is turning the opioid crisis into a nightmare. Xylazine, it's a deadly, skin-rotting zombie drug that's bringing a horrific wave of overdoses across the country and is spreading further.
The animal tranquilizer is turning up in drug overdoses across the country. Xylazine, which is used as a veterinarian sedative, is used to sedate cows, horses, sheep and other animals, is being added to other drugs, mostly fentanyl and heroin, as a cutting agent.
The administrator, Ann Milgram, said it could be the deadliest drug threat our country has ever faced. But xylazine is even worse than fentanyl. And why? Because there's no antidote. You know, Narcan has been a lifesaver. When people are exposed to fentanyl, when police officers are exposed to people who have fentanyl in their system, they can use Narcan, and it's saved tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of lives. But unfortunately, xylazine is not subject to Narcan.
Schumer is calling for special drug enforcement agency teams to tackle the spread of the drug.
And you say, well, why are you talking about this now? It's spreading, but what we've learned, and I've learned through the years, when a new drug rears its ugly head, if you don't nip it in the bud, it gets its tentacles deep in our society, and it takes years, sometimes decades, to make it go away. That's what's happened, for instance, with methamphetamine.
Schumer spoke about the dangers of the drug in a Capitol Hill news conference on Thursday.
So the bottom line is this: xylazine is deadly, it's dangerous, it's here. We have to act, we have to fight and fund, and do both. So I'm going to do that.
Schumer said deaths as a result of the drug are up across the country by 1,000%, with the South and the West affected the most. Agency report for Republic TV.